Imagine you're bored, so you just want to go and stare inside your fridge, but your fridge starts marketing a totally different product, far away from food. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine having ads on your fridge. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Samsung recently confirmed that certain models of its Family Hub refrigerators will now display curated promotions on aisle screen themes like weather, daily board, and color. The ad placements won't show up on art or gallery themes, and Samsung insists they won't bother you a lot. But let's be real, the mere idea of commercials on a $3,000 appliance is already rubbing customers the wrong way. The company is calling it as part of a pilot program meant to enhance value for users, but for many, it feels like a way to get money out of their wallets only to pay premium prices for a smart appliance, then get served ads like you're watching free TV. Want to make it worse? There's no out. Disconnecting the fridge from Wi-Fi is the only way to avoid ads, but doing so also disables the very smart features you paid for. It's a classic modern tech dilemma: convenience versus privacy, and now marketing. If this bothers you, you're certainly not the only one. Users are already on the internet voicing their frustrations, and Samsung support channels are likely to hear more in the coming weeks. Whether this backlash is loud enough to stop the trend remains to be seen. But one thing's clear: the line between home appliance and digital billboard is officially blurring. Welcome to the future of your connected kitchen. The thing which had only the job of keeping things fresh will now market products you don't even need. What are your thoughts on this upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.